girl Tanisha K, the ultimate baddie, period. And I am back with another Amazon wig review. But before we get into it, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you. So today's wig is brought to you by MMMMM store on Amazon. So today's wig is a 13x6 body wave 4x27 lace front wig, period. And today we are dealing with 28 inches. Okay. So this is what the wig came in. This is the bag. So, in the bag, a wig cap, of course, and a new band. This is the wig. It is a ombre wig. It is 4x27, 28 inches. Alright, so let's open her up and see what she is getting, okay? Alrighty. It has a smell to it, but it's really not a bad smell. It actually smells really good. But it does have a smell to it. It feels so soft and silky. No shedding as I'm running my hands through. It is nice and bouncy. So this is what the inside of the wig is giving. It has clip here, clip at the bottom, wig band, adjustable, removable, and this is what the lace is looking like. It's supposed to be pre-plucked. It's giving a tad bit pre-plucked, but I know I'm gonna have to go back in and like kind of do a little bit more. And also the knots look really good, but I figure I'm gonna still kind of go in and bleach a little bit, but it actually looks really good. So this is the wig. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. All right, so I'm about to go ahead and bleach the knots. I'll be right back. All right, baddies. So this is the wig. Period. She is eating already, okay? There is so soft. So much movement. Alright, so I bleached the knots. The knots came out fairly good. I went in and I plucked just a little bit. Well, ooh. Alright, so let's go ahead and install her. Alright, so I am going to be going in with the even lace spray. And I don't even really let that dry. I just go right ahead. Fold it over. Mash it in. And then I put my band on. And Mr. gave me a new one. So. Alright, so the band is on. So let's just kind of start styling. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna start styling. I really don't know what style, but we're just gonna go ahead and just do the middle part for today. So I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and just curl it. I really don't know what style I want to do. Or do I just want to do like a really deep pushover? Because it's really giving. But I feel like I always do my hair like this. But, oh well, yeah. Middle part, over, push over. Alright, so let's just start curling first. Yeah. And these are going to be very messy curls. They're not going to be like really cute curls. So, yeah, just to let you guys know. But yeah, that's all I'm going to start doing is just curling my hair. Alright, so I curled one side. Now I'm just about to go in and curl the other side while this continues to dry. Alright, so I did a little, I didn't curl the top too much because I still gotta like flatten it and stuff. So that's what we're about to do. Probably should have did that first. Alright, first I'm gonna go ahead and take this band off. Alrighty. So
hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, I'm smoking on this weed. Told him gon' take a shot on 3. Told him drinks, it's on me. Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, I'm smoking on this weed. Gon' take a shot on 3. Drinks, it's on me. Drinks on me. I said now go take a shot on me. Only drug the bitches on is the tree. But I lasted 10 rounds like a freak, like a G. Oh yeah, get ready. Alright. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Please hold the phone. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Know we're on. Where you gonna be at? Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, I'm smoking on this weed. Gon' take a shot on 3. Drinks, it's on me. Smoke weed out the container. We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you and we making arrangements. Oh yeah, get ready. Alright. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Please hold the phone. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Know we're on. Where you gonna be at?
Whole lot of bad, whole lot of cash. Whole lot of hoe, whole lot of ass. Young nigga, I smash. Gotta wave my flag. Got a bitch in the bag, yeah. Playing that rat, yeah. I stop playing, yeah. Probably 10, yeah. Clap this beat, AP wrist, to my head, take that beat, yeah. Swap the day, days on play, days on days, bag full of hay, in a bed with your beat, in a tie beat, she's got a leg shot in, bitch shot a top 10, I made a beat top 10, I made a beat do it then, on the block with the neon, head cat little neon, tryna see what we on, told the bitch put a B on.
Alright, so baddies, this is the final look. The hair is really nice, really soft. The lace is giving for the most part. It curls really good, but I don't think it holds too good. I mean, I don't use product on my hair when I'm curling. The hair is really, really nice. I'm loving this one. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 because I still see no shedding, like none. It's really, really nice, really soft. What else? Like, what else? Like, for the most part, it's really, really giving. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And yeah. And this one I'm really, really feeling. I think I'm gonna restyle it in a different style because I'm really not feeling the style per se. But yeah, like I really, really like this wig. I give it a 10 out of 10. The link will be inside of the description box. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, I love you guys for watching. The baby is out.